Okay guys, very welcome to Auto Workshop, and I've got the one Audi A3 for the DPF pressure sensor, and this one, is coming full code for the diagnostic and show me this one problem actually. And the location is here actually, and has got the two sensor here. The one of them was here and another one here as well. Okay, and now I want to change the first one, and I bought from Euro car part and this part, and now I try, and after that need to drive for the 20 minutes on 60 miles per hour, and yeah, and then you can reset with the diagnostic, everything should be fine. I had exactly same car before, and for the Audi and the VW usually is normal actually. Okay, and now for new one you can do that. This one is going here. Okay, look, and the socket here as well. Okay, look, this one is going here. Okay, and this one here. Okay, I need to tie it with tools actually, and the job finish, no anything more. And thank you so much for watching, and see you for next video.